Guilty on all counts. That's the verdict reached today in the trial of Feeding Our Future founder Amy Bach and the man prosecutors called her number two, Salim Saeed. We've got team coverage for you, starting with investigative reporter Eric Rasmussen live from the federal court building in Minneapolis. And Eric, a big day in a case that you have been following for years.
With so much on the line, prosecutors walked out of these doors behind me just a few hours ago. Huge winners in this case where they promised accountability for taxpayers and really all of Minnesota, which had become home to the largest pandemic fraud in the nation. The charges against Feeding Our Future's founder, Amy Bach, and restaurant owner Salim Saeed were lengthy. Wire fraud, bribery, money laundering, a conspiracy laid out by prosecutors over 6 weeks of trial. But it took the jury just 5 hours of deliberation to reach the verdicts that we announced first live on 5 Eyewitness News. And the guilty verdicts just keep rolling in. Bach, who entered the courthouse a free woman, left in handcuffs. The judge ordered both Bach and Saeed into custody on the spot as they await sentencing that could send them to federal prison for decades. Bach's attorney still stunned after the verdicts.
I will go to my grave knowing, because I've reviewed the evidence, this is an innocent woman.
Ultimately, though, tonight it was the jury who decided both Amy Bach and Salim Saeed lied about feeding kids during the pandemic, all in the pursuit of getting rich. Live in Minneapolis tonight, Eric Rasmussen, 5 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Eric. Now, tonight, the prosecution is reflecting on what they see is a big win. Our Ben Henry is here with that. Ben?
Well, Kevin, you know, as mentioned throughout this has been 6 weeks of trial, but years of investigation. The prosecutors had confidence in this. Governor Tim Walz also reflecting on today's verdicts. Lead prosecutors say they had confidence since day one.
What Bach and her co-defendants did was reprehensible.
Reflecting on the most significant Feeding Our Future trial yet, ending with guilty verdicts for Salim Saeed and Amy Bach, who they called the mastermind behind the $250 million fraud scheme.
Her efforts to lie, to blame others, to escape responsibility, all came to an end.
Prosecutors say their overwhelming amount of evidence was plenty to prove Bach's knowledge of the fraud.
She cut every single check, all $240 million worth of checks to every defendant in this case. She was involved in taking kickbacks. Witness after witness testified to her role in the scheme.
These are criminals that preyed on a system that was meant to feed children.
Governor Tim Walz addressing the verdicts and what can be learned from the case.
We're trying to recoup as much as we can, and I think it sparked a needed conversation bipartisanly of how do we try and prevent these things. But I remind people on this, no one in state government was involved in any crime. We just need to make sure that we put up more firewalls, more security, more ability to make sure that these criminals aren't able to prey on this.
Prosecutors hoping this will help turn the page on what they call an awful chapter in state history.
The state that is our home, that has so much to offer, and that deserves so much better.
As for the $250 million fraudulent funds at the core of this case, prosecutors say so far $60 million have been recovered. Despite the significance of today, the work isn't done. There's another trial connected to this case starting in just a few weeks, Kevin.
Thank you very much, Ben. Now